You guys are gonna like this one. This battery alone is 51.2 volts at 105 amp hours, rated for 5,376 watt hours. Let's take a look inside this battery. Connecting bus bar has a little hump in it that allows the expansion and contraction. Notice the super nice cable management. And then look at this, they're using these super cool flexible bus bars. And then notice the main positive is also one of those flexible bus bars, which is fantastic. You got that huge hunk of metal coming right to your terminal. Conductors, but it looks like it's 3 6-gauge wires. They're connecting from the main negative right here and going to the main negative on the BMS. But that black thing right there is a little rubber wrapped strap, metal strap. You might be able to see the very edge of it over here, pulling and compressing the cells. Everything has been torqued and marked. This is like rock hard, like a glue almost. So not only is it serving as a mark for the torque, but it's also serving to hold all the connections in place because this is designed to go in a high vibration environment. Very mega seal around the top here. That's what gives this battery such good water resistance ratings. And then we've got a zillion temperature sensors. So we've actually got one on the positive terminal, which is kind of interesting, as well as one on the main negative terminal. That's actually kind of cool because if your connection is heating up on the outside here, it will transfer some of that heat into here and could potentially trip. And then we've got a temperature sensor here on top of the battery pack. We've got another temperature sensor over here on the battery pack. We've got another one over here on the main positive, and then we've got yet even another one over here on the main negative in this battery pack, which is awesome. So far, I'd say this is the best quality build